सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सर्वेटेक को और देखें बायोलॉजी के टॉप 60 प्लस जीके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। तो चलिए फ्रेंड स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारा, विच इज़ नोन एज द मास्टर ग्लैंड। पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज नोन एज द मास्टर ग्लैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which vitamin is essential for the coagulation of blood? Vitamin K is essential for the coagulation of blood. Next question, question number 3, which insect aspirates kala jar? Sandfly is the insect which aspirates kala jar. Question number 4, which part of the brain is the center of the thrust, hunger and sleep? Hypothalamus is the part of the brain which is the center of the thrust, hunger and sleep. Question number 5, which regulates the quantum of light entering the human eye? Iris is the part of the eye which regulates the quantum of light entering the human eye. Question number 6, which cell organelle function as the powerhouse of a living cell? Mitochondria is the cell organelle which functions as the powerhouse of a living cell. Question number 7, which part of the brain is affected by alcohol? Cerebellum is the part of the human brain which is affected by alcohol. Question number 8, which is responsible for transport of the food and other substances in plants? Phloem is responsible for transport of food and other substances in plants. Question number 9, which is known as the master gland? Pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Question number 10, which vitamin is essential for the coagulation of blood? Vitamin K is essential for the coagulation of blood. Question number 11, which enzyme is present in saliva? Amylase is present in saliva. Question number 12, RBC is also known as erythrocytes. Question number 13, what is the main respiratory pigment in humans? Hemoglobin is the main respiratory pigment in the humans. Question number 14, which are phagocytes in liver? Kupffer cells are phagocytes in liver. Question number 15, which metal is present in insulin? Zinc is present in insulin. Which hormone controls glucose levels in the body? This is the insulin hormone which controls glucose levels in the body. Question number 17, which part of eye is responsible for its color? Iris is the part of the eye which is responsible for its color. Question number 18, which is the strongest bone in the human body? Femur is the strongest bone in the human body. Question number 19, which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Question number 20, name the blood cells in which nucleus is absent. Red blood cells and blood platelets or thrombocytes are the blood cells in which nucleus is absent. Question number 21, hardest part of the human body? Tooth enamel. Question number 22, yellow color of urine is due to the presence of urochrome. Question number 23, vitamins are micronutrients. Question number 24, most important tissue in the body? Connective tissue. Question number 25, which part of the brain controls body temperature? This is the hypothalamus, which is the part of the brain and which controls body temperature. Question number 26, which hormone regulates the basal metabolic rate or BMR? Thyroxine is the hormone secreted by the thyroid glands, regulates the basal metabolic rate or BMR. Question number 27, which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Leukocytes is the blood cells which is responsible for the immunity. Question number 28, what is the functional unit of the kidney? Nephron is the functional unit of the kidney. Question number 29, which organ produces bile? Liver produces bile. Question number 30, organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is the organelle which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 31, which enzyme is present in saliva? Amylase. Question number 32, which gland is both endocrine and exocrine? Pancreas. And pancreas is also known as double endocrine gland or mixed endocrine gland, which is endocrine and exocrine and function. endocrine as it secretes the hormone, and exocrine as it secretes enzyme. Question number 33, father of modern botany, Carl Linnaeus. Question number 34, smallest muscle, stapedius muscle. Question number 35, anal gland is located at the top of the kidney. Question number 36, strongest muscle, masseter. Question number 37, largest internal organ, liver. Question number 38, pH value of the human blood is 7.4. Question number 39, deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Question number 40, blood pigment that carries oxygen is hemoglobin. Question number 41, hormone controls blood sugar. Insulin is the hormone controlling blood sugar. Question number 42, plant tissue transport food, phloem. Question number 43, process by which plant lose water, transpiration. Question number 44, kingdom that includes algae, plantae. Question number 45, WBC that engulfs germs, phagocytes. Question number 46, organ responsible for filtering blood. Kidney is the organ which is responsible for filter of blood. Question number 47, hormones secreted during emergency, adrenaline. Question number 48, nitrogen fixing bacteria and legumes is rhizobium. Question number 49, body first line of defense, skin. Question 50, protein building organelles, ribosomes. Question number 51, cell without a true nucleus, prokaryotic cell. Question number 52, disease aspirate through sexual contact, AIDS. Full form, acquired immunity deficiency syndrome. Question number 53, type of reproduction needing two parents, sexual reproduction. Question number 54, site of protein synthesis, ribosome. Question number 55, plants that grow in water, hydrophytes. Question number 56, vitamin essential for blood clotting, vitamin K. Question number 57, basic unit of heredity gene. Question number 58, mode of nutrition in fungi, saprophytic. Question number 59, plant hormone responsible for ripening, ethylene. Question number 60, which gland secretes digestive enzymes as well as hormones, the pancreas. And last question of this video, which gland secrete insulin and glucagon, the pancreas. Thanks for watching. Good night.